So, hello and welcome to my YouTube video. So today I received this through the post. So it's a Bluetooth headset. It can pair up to 6 different riders at any one time. I've ordered a twin pack so I can put one on my own helmet and anyone I'm out riding with. So first things first is basically going to attach the headset onto my helmet. So what I've got here is I've got an LS2, so it's a British standard acceptable gold standard helmet here. Fairly cheap. Picked this one up for 45 quid. It's a really good helmet. It's got lots of features on it, and you know what I mean, it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg to pick one of these up. And my Bluetooth headsets for 2 of these was a little under £60, and that was delivered within a week, so really good. So first thing we're going to do is go in and take the lining out so that we can get in at it. So the first part of the lining is just the bit that goes underneath your chin. On this particular helmet you've actually got a removable cheek part here, so the padding, it's just a couple of poppers and that just pops right off and out the way so that you can get in to put the headset in. As you can see, it's got little holes inside it so that you can just pop the speaker behind there. What you do is basically you just attach, just in this area here, you just go in and you just attach the double-sided sticky bits here, you can see. So you get these, you get a couple of these inside the pack as well, and then obviously the back of the headset is Velcro, so you've got a couple of extra ones there to keep you going, and I'll just quickly do that and then we'll carry on. Right, so now that I've got my sticky pads in, basically what you do is you just take the headphones and the microphone and you decide what side's going to go at what. So basically I'm just going to put the mic at the right hand side, so just that's going to sit on there, and then what you're going to do is you're going to feed the wires through. So basically just want to get the wires, feed it through the padding on the headset, so there's lots of wee gaps in here that you can feed it through. So just feeding it round the back of the headset, so that's all the wires tucked in under there, and then just put the two earpieces on to the Velcro. The thing I will say about the earpieces, they are like fairly thick, so they're quite chunky, so depending how tight your helmet is, they may very well press against your ears, so just be mindful of that, there is a bit of thickness to them. The actual speaker itself is probably about 4 or 5 millimeters thick. So I'm basically just going to put my padding back in, so just lining it all back up again. The mouthpiece, just feed that round and it just sits in there quite nicely. You can just adjust it once you put the headset on to whatever suits. Just feeding the slot back through. I will say about the sticky tape, it's like the adhesive, it's actually really sticky. I've got that on the wrong side. It's the other one. Basically I'm just feeding the head straps back through. These just click on really easily. Do that for both sides, and then it's a case of getting ready to fit the outside part. So what we're going to do now, we're going to show how to install the clamp on the side of the helmet. So first thing you're going to do is loosen off the screws. Just a standard Phillips screwdriver will do. Just to loosen that off. As you can see, just a little clamp just gives it a bit more movement to be able to squeeze up the side of your helmet. So pick your position where it's going to be. Obviously it needs to be somewhere that's within easy reach so that you can turn it on and off. Just bringing it up underneath the side of it. Find a position that suits you and take it up. And it's looking a little bit tight here. Just there you go. Right, so my cable's sitting about here. When I actually go and take the headset up, it's probably going to stretch the wire a wee bit if it's sitting there. So when you see when it's clipped on, the wire's over here. So what I do is, let's see if we can try and tease out some of the wire just a little bit, see if it will come out anymore. Right, that's coming out not too bad, so I'm able to bring that out. So if I'm quite happy with where that's sitting, just turn it round and just tighten up the screws. Just tighten them right up. Just make sure that it's got a nice good grip. So that's it, nice and secure now, seated in a decent enough position, and then basically it's just a case of when you're out and about, clamping your headset on and off. So I'm just going to take this off just now, and then I'll go through the process of pairing them up in another video. Thanks for watching.